Hi guys, my name is Kelsey.
And I'm Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And today we have a super exciting announcement.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you guys have heard yet, but YouTube has just released a new kind of level of reward system.
Yeah, you know there's a million gold play button, there's the 100,000 subscriber silver play button, and now there's a bronze
play button
for 100 subscribers, which is great because I'm sure there's a lot of people, even you guys maybe, that have 100 subscribers, and now you can get a play button.
But this is for a huge congratulations to all you guys who have reached 100, so make sure you guys are checking your emails because you might be getting those soon.
Yeah. So, although this looks really legit, guys,
clearly it's the real deal.
It's not from YouTube.
Unfortunately not.
It's convincing as we are.
Yeah, unfortunately YouTube has not yet released a bronze play button, but if you still do want your own play button, we're here for you.
Of any color. You can make a gold one. We DIY'd it so you can have your own.
Yep. So here is how you too can get your own YouTube play button.
For this, we used this magic modeling clay by Crayola. It's like a foam modeling clay. We made a rectangle with rounded corners and made sure it was nice and smooth. Added a triangle that we cut out of foam core and pressed it in. And then we let it dry.
Next, you're going to want to get a shadow box picture frame. We got this one from Value Village for super cheap. Open it up, and we are going to cover the back piece in gray or black Bristol board using some hot glue and regular glue. Once our play button is dry, we're going to go ahead and spray paint it with a metallic paint. We chose to use bronze, but you could totally use gold if you're going for that. And once that's dry, go ahead and use some glue and glue it onto the back of your picture frame.
Then we're going to assemble our picture frame. And print out the word tube from YouTube and cut it out. We used a piece of paper to figure out what the spacing of our letter stickers would be. But we started with YouTube. Added our channel name. And then added congratulations on 100 subscribers. But you can definitely do as many subscribers as you want.
So I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of a funnier DIY this week.
Yeah, we still have to DIY even though it's April Fool's.
We have to.
But now you know how to get your own YouTube Play Button award if you don't yet have 100,000 subscribers, because that's what they give it out at.
Or you can make it for a friend who you know is trying really hard on YouTube and is just not there yet, but we know they'll get there.
Yes.
And if you guys don't know yet, we were actually extremely lucky enough to get our own silver play button, like the real one, in the mail. And we wanted to give just a huge thank you to everyone who has gotten us here so far. It means a lot.
Yes. We're almost at 300,000, which is like 1/3 to a million.
Yeah, so help us get that gold one, guys. You know, share it with your friends.
We'd like that.
So thank you for everything, guys. Hopefully you had a great April Fool's. Didn't get tricked by too many pranks.
I'm sure we didn't even trick you. We're not that good.
All right, we will see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.